Mas, aku mau yang manis-manis.
Emang kurang manis?
Bukan, tapi masih ada pahit-pahitnya.
Yang manis-manis? Apa ya? Aku ada ide. Sebentar. Assalamualaikum. Salam ya. Aku ada permintaan. Apa itu? Yang manis-manis. Ini. Yang manis.
Welcome back to Coffee First Session bersama saya Pak Boy. Kali ini kita akan membahas yang manis-manis, which is I'm gonna share you how to make flat white. Jadi banyak di luar sana yang bingung antara flat white, cappuccino, and latte. Untuk Anda yang ingin kopi dengan paduan susu di rumah yang enak tanpa harus menggunakan mesin, dengan manual brew, dengan alat yang nggak susah, kalian bisa buat flat white yang enak di rumah. Oke? Pantengin video ini terus. Follow every step that I have revealed to you guys. Kalau kamu suka kopi dengan rasa kopi yang menonjol, that's a flat white. Tapi jika kamu suka kopi dengan cita rasa susu yang menonjol, you have to order latte. Saya akan memberikan tips bagaimana caranya untuk membuat flat white dengan manual brewing di rumah tanpa menggunakan mesin. Oke, I'm gonna show you the tools atau alat-alat apa saja yang Anda butuhkan di rumah. Oke, yang pertama, this is the most important thing you have to use. Saya punya kopi Arabica Temanggung. Kita akan gunakan hanya 18 gram untuk membuat espressonya dengan gilingan not too fine, not too coarse, just a medium grind type. Okay? Alright. So the next one, we got a Vietnam drip. Jadi, menggunakan ini untuk membuat espresso double shot with 18 grams of coffee. Jadi 18 gram kopi yang sudah kamu giling masukkan ke sini dan kita akan membuat espressonya dengan menggunakan Vietnam drip. Pasti kalian sudah kenal dengan alat ini, French press. Kita akan membuat milk foam atau velvet silky foam dari susunya untuk membuat flat white dengan menggunakan French press ini. Jika Anda sering ke coffee shop menggunakan mesin, kita di rumah hanya cukup dengan French press dan pumping, kalian akan bisa membuat silky velvet microfoam. Alright, so I got the secret one. Jadi, semua alat yang tadi saya sudah sebutkan, tanpa ini kalian tidak akan bisa membuat velvet silky foam untuk flat white Anda di rumah. Jadi dari warnanya kalian sudah bisa tahu susu apa ini. Jadi saya menggunakan susu kental manis ini untuk membuat susunya. Alright, so this is jug. Kalian yang tidak punya jug ini, it's okay. Susu yang tadi sudah Anda pumping dengan menggunakan French press, ya. Jadi Anda masukkan ke sini. Untuk saya pribadi, I like this one karena apa? I can control the flow of the milk. Jadi susu yang keluar kita bisa kontrol untuk menuangkannya di espresso yang tadi sudah kita buat dengan menggunakan Vietnam drip. Jadi susu Anda masukkan ke sini, ya. Ingat susunya yang tadi, jangan susu tangga ya. So that's overall the tools you need at home to make a flat white. Pertama kita sudah punya kopi, punya Vietnam drip, sudah punya susunya, dan yang terakhir kita sudah punya jug. Okay? Now, are you ready? Let's brew a flat white.
Hello coffee lovers! First step to do, you literally need to boil the water with 90 degrees Celsius temperature. Ideally, I use 90 degrees to make it immerse perfectly with the coffee and not burning it. Leave it until reach 90 degree and we move to grab a French press. Get your milk as well and pour your condensed milk about 25 ml in it. We're gonna create a coffee taste dominant than milk, so that I just put only 20 until 25 ml of milk. If you wanna put more, that's all your desire, all good. Next, prepare your coffee. Here I choose my house blend which have 60% Robusta and 40% Arabica within. Coffee with milk base tends to manifest a sweet bitterness balance. Arabica is more acid than Robusta, that's why I reduce Arabica and put more Robusta as my coffee to produce an incredible perfect blend with silky milk you pour into. The next one, grind your 18 grams coffee roasted by deciding medium grind size. And also double check your water. Make sure it is reaching 90 degrees Celsius. Prepare your cup as well and put on your scale, followed by Vietnam drip on your cup. Make sure you have already washed all your tools before you're using it. Now, you have to grab your coffee grounds and put inside Vietnam drip. Shake it a bit to make it equal. And then you have to grab your stick and making a little hole in the middle. Put my plunger on and start pouring. Remember, in the beginning you have to pour about 30 grams first to make it blooming and also doing pre-infusion. Look at that. You can smell that? Now, I took it away. And also you have to wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you have to pour the rest of water. It's about 70 grams of water. And you have 100 grams of water in total, extracted with 18 grams of coffee. Now put the lids on. You have to pour some of water inside French press and make milk soluble with it by stirring it well and keep resting it. Get back to your espresso and look at that. The result is brilliant. And now this is the most interesting methods. Pumping. You have to pump it properly and carefully because the milk is hot until the microfoam coming to the surface. Then you have to stop it. Very nice. And now you have to transfer all the milk into the jug or pitcher. Do it from the edge, slowly but sure. Alright, tap on your table a couple times and doing polish. Bend over your glass and also start pouring. Now circular motion as always and doing a layer by pushing your jug slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave it a bit and push it slowly at the end of the edge. That's it. I'm making a simple tulip here and your flat white is ready to be served. If you guys have different style of making latte art, just express yourself. And hopefully this video can help you to make the best flat white at home manually. Enjoy your coffee. Please subscribe, like and share. See you later.
Lama banget sih ini.
Yang manis-manis?
Nah, yang manis. Makasih. Ini dia, yang manis untuk yang paling manis.
Makasih.